Virat Kohli, one of India's greatest modern cricketers, has announced his retirement from Test cricket, ending a remarkable 14-year career in the format. The decision was revealed in a heartfelt message shared on social media, where Kohli reflected on his journey in the longest and most traditional format of the game. "It's been 14 years since I first wore the baggy blue in Test cricket. Honestly, I never imagined the journey this format would take me on. It's tested me, shaped me, and taught me lessons I'll carry for life," Kohli wrote, reminiscing about his time in the wilds. Kohli made his Test debut in 2011 against the West Indies and soon became a key figure in India's batting lineup. His consistency and flair with the bat, along with his leadership, helped India rise to the top of the ICC Test rankings. Under his captaincy, India achieved historic back-to-back Test series victories in Australia, a feat no other Asian team had previously managed. There's something deeply personal about playing in whites. The quiet grind, the long days, the small moments that no one sees but that stay with you forever, Kohli shared, emphasizing the special bond he had with Test cricket. Though stepping away from the format was difficult, Kohli expressed contentment with his decision. "As I step away from this format, it's not easy, but it feels right. I've given it everything I had, and it's given me back so much more than I could have hoped for. I'm walking away with a heart full of gratitude for the game, for the people I shared the field with, and for every single person who made me feel seen along the way," he said. Signing off with his Test cap number 269, Kohli concluded, "I'll always look back at my Test career with a smile." Kohli's retirement adds to the growing list of Indian cricket legends stepping away from the Test arena, following Ravichandran, Ashwin and Rohit Sharma. On a personal note, Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli made a stylish appearance together at the Mumbai airport on Monday morning, minutes before the cricketer announced his retirement from Test cricket. The couple was spotted by paparazzi at the airport as they flied out of Mumbai. Although they seemed to be in a hurry, they still took a moment to smile and graciously pose for a few quick photos before continuing on their way inside. Virat Kohli's retirement from Test cricket marks the end of an era. His legacy of skill, leadership and historic victories will inspire future generations while his influence continues beyond the sport.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, रुकिए ना मैम.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.